Hi, I'm Darnell Cox with Live Young Lifestyle, and today I'm giving you an update on my menopause journey. This video is sponsored by Bonafide, breaking the stigma surrounding women's sexual health and menopause. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that there have been some changes that I've been going through over the last 3 years, ever since I hit 50. That change is menopause, but I urge you not to stop watching at this point. Men, every woman in your life, your mother, your sister, your daughter, your cousin, your aunt, they are all going to go through it. And for my younger viewers, you need to brace yourself. Menopause hit me like a freight train on fire. There are 3 things that have really helped me face my changing hormones. That is knowledge, hormone replacement therapy, and homeopathic remedies. First, you have to arm yourself with knowledge. Knowledge is power, people. The more you know, the more that you're going to be equipped to be able to face these changing hormones. So if you didn't catch my previous video with Dr. Nina about my menopause journey, I'll have that link in the description below, so make sure that you click on that. Also, the leading YouTube source of knowledge is Menopause Taylor, also known as Menopause Barbie, and she has an entire YouTube channel completely devoted to menopause. So I will have the link to her YouTube channel in the description below. Arming yourself with knowledge is so important. There's some serious health risks involved with menopause. There's a whole list of symptoms that is associated with menopause. And so if you are having any of those symptoms, I suggest that you stop. I would call your OBGYN, ask for a full panel of blood work for all of your hormones, and also see if they have a specialist that they would be able to recommend. That's always a really good place to start. But one thing for certain is that the loss of estrogen contributes to bone loss, which can lead to osteoporosis, Alzheimer's disease, and also heart attacks. So all of this stuff increases when your estrogen drops. So it's not just the superficial anti-aging stuff like skin, weight gain, hair loss. It's not only that. There's some serious health risks involved. One of the things that I've learned on this journey is that every journey is different, and also the treatments are different. I've been on hormone replacement therapy for the last couple years now, and people often ask me, tell me what you're on. It doesn't do any good because it's tailored to my blood work. So it's very important that you're not just using your friend's hormone replacement therapy, right? That you're seeing a doctor, you're getting your blood work done, because 2 people's blood work and their estrogen levels are not the same. Which brings me to the second thing that helped me along this menopause journey, and that is hormone replacement therapy. These are the hormones that I am on. So in the morning, I take testosterone and DHEA, and I take estrogen and progesterone at night. Now, it's not just estrogen that drops with perimenopause and menopause. There's a balance of all of these hormones. So your testosterone also drops, and women, we naturally have testosterone, so please don't put in the comments, I don't want to take testosterone, I'm going to get big and bulky like a weightlifter. It's just not going to happen. Testosterone is already in our body, but with the drop of testosterone, your fat infiltrates your muscle. It's really hard to lose weight after that. So all of these are important. Testosterone, DHEA, which is another big one, and then estrogen, which is the big health concern, and progesterone, which balances everything out. So this is my journey. This is what I do. So if you ask me, how many grams are you putting on your wrist right now and rubbing that in, it's going to be different for you. And also the method of delivery. If my blood work gets tested and I don't have that optimal amount of estradiol in my bloodstream, this type of delivery system might not work for me anymore. And then I would go to a different type. There's patches, there's pellets, there's a lot of different ways that you can get this into your bloodstream, but you're aiming for that optimal level that protects your bones, your brain, and your heart. Sometimes it's a hassle to go and get your blood work done, right? But it's super important because our hormones will continue to fluctuate, and you really want that optimal level of estradiol, which is the good estrogen in your bloodstream, in order to have all of those health benefits. So it's super important that you're working hand in hand with your doctor and you're very adamant about getting blood work done when your doctor tells you to. So here are my top ways to treat some of the symptoms of menopause, which include hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, and lack of libido. So this video, like I said earlier in the video, is sponsored by Bonafide, and they're doing great things to help treat the symptoms of menopause, which for somebody who, felt like I was hit by a freight train on fire, sometimes treating the symptoms, it's a godsend. So I'll have the links to their products as well as the ingredients. These products have really worked for me. And I've been kind of testing them out for like the last month or so, and I can totally tell a difference. This is REVAREE. This is a hormone-free, all-natural product by Bonafide, and I love this because it's composed of hyaluronic acid. So if you've seen any of my skincare videos, you know that hyaluronic acid is very prominent in anti-aging skincare for its ability to attract moisture. So this is like skincare for your vagina, which I love. So it comes in these like really easy to use, all natural again, suppositories, and you literally insert this up the vaginal canal. Just like any sort of insert, you kind of want to lay down for a bit. And you do this every single day, and it just creates like a more moist environment. So skincare for your vagina, I kind of love that. This one is RELIZEN by Bonafide, and this has been a true lifesaver. I don't know about you, but the most debilitating of the menopause symptoms have been hot flashes and night sweats. So I will oftentimes wake up in a pool of sweat. It's very, very uncomfortable. And if you've ever gotten a hot flash when you're like at a meeting or like on a Zoom call, it can be anxiety provoking, to be honest with you. So this is all natural. It provides hormone-free relief from menopausal hot flash and night sweats. So it helps you be more productive all day, and it'll help you sleep cool through the night. And even the first time that I took this, you take 2 tablets. It's in this kind of foil wrapper. They're very small tablets, so super easy to swallow. And even the first time that I took this at night, I could tell the difference. So I'm loving this RELIZEN by Bonafide. This is Restella by Bonafide. This provides powerful hormone-free support for women who are sexually active who want to enhance their response to sexual stimulation. It doesn't boost your libido, rather it helps your body be more responsive. I don't know about you, but with all the other symptoms surrounding menopause, the hot flashes, the night sweats, the foggy brain, all of that stuff, having a supplement that actually helps your body focus during sex, that's a really good idea. So this has been working wonders for me. So for the list of ingredients on all of these products by Bonafide, click in the description. There'll be links below to the products to learn more, and also I'll give you the list of ingredients of why they're actually effective. And for me, they've been very effective. Also things like sleeping with a cooling mattress. So I use Uller, but there's a plethora of other cooling mattresses, but that also helps to keep your mattress cool so that you're not waking up with the night sweats. Combined that with some of the other supplements, and it's really kind of helped me. Another thing is I always make sure that I have like little ice packs ready to go in the freezer. So if I'm cooking or if I'm doing something around the house and I start getting a hot flash, I'll put an ice pack on the back of my neck, or even sometimes down my shirt, because it feels like there's a volcano coming from within. But that said, if you have anything that works for you, any tricks, any sort of homeopathic stuff that you want to share with our viewers, I please urge you to put them in the comment section below so that we can all be in this together. If we're lucky enough to be on the planet into our 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond, this is something we are all going to be faced with. So please, any help we can give each other, women helping women get through menopause, that's a really good way to live young.